Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kanwar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we talked about the difference between movement and action in a pose. Starting today, we are going to focus on one pose at a time. We will break it down step by step, talking about how the pose looks, how to get into it, what to do while you are in the pose, how to get out of it, and what are the benefits of the pose. We'll practice each pose together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Ready? Today's pose is Utthita Hasta Padasana, extended hands and feet pose. It is a standing pose where the feet are wide apart, the legs are straight, and the arms are extended outward to the sides at shoulder level with your ankles under your wrist for the stance of the feet. The trunk extends up, the chest is broad, and the neck extends up while the gaze is forward. So start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching. Legs straight, arms by your side. Then bend your knees, bring your hands in front of your chest. Fingertips are touching in front of your sternum. Then exhale, jump your feet wide apart, arms extended, reach through your fingers. So here, before we go further, I want to bring your attention. If you have any ankle, knee, hip issue, don't jump. In place of jumping, you bend your knees, bring your hands, then separate your one leg and then the other. And here you just notice, maybe you bring your right leg first or your left leg first. So pay attention which leg you bring to the side first, and when you repeat the poses, always with awareness, just change the legs which you bring another side. Okay. Spread well through the mounts of the toes. Press the inner edges of your feet. Big toe side of the feet. Press the outer edges of the feet. Little toe side of your feet. Tighten your kneecaps. Lift up through your front thighs. Top of your thighs back as you press down through your heels. Tops of your buttocks descend down as you extend the sides of your waist. Trunk extended upward. Arms extend to the side, reach through your fingertips. Chest broaden. Outer shoulder blades in. Top of your shoulders down. Neck lengthens, gaze is forward. Then to come out, bend your knees, jump or step back to mountain pose. It looks like a simple pose, but if you pay attention, there are many actions going on. Focus on foundational actions first. Create a strong and stable foundation or base to hold or maintain the pose to get the benefits of it. Utthita Hasta Padasana is often considered an intermediary pose and is rarely practiced independently in yoga classes. However, its significance lies in helping practitioner determine the proper distance between the feet in the standing postures. This asana offers valuable benefits including chest opening, leg strengthening, and cultivating a solid stance for various standing postures. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a better alignment through yoga. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.